So, you got to do your magic check to determine if you have any, if you feel any vibrations.
Yeah, I got a 10.
You got a 10! So you don't feel any vibrations, but since you're checking the right cave, you do notice that the weird noises are originating from the right side, because it's kind of obvious.
All right.
I say we go to the left side and explore.
I agree.
First.
Okay, so our heroes progress down the left side, and as they're walking along and they can't see, they hear a clicking noise coming from beneath them.
Is it with water droplets or something?
Clicking.
It's like, I wonder what that could be.
Okay, you have 10 seconds to decide an action.
Clicking beneath us.
9.
I'm going to
7,
create what's it called?
4, 3, 2.
I'm going to create a gravity well so I can jump out. A negative gravity well.
Okay, so you create a negative gravity well that encompasses enough space for that both you, Quazar, and Thunderclap reside within it. So now you need to do a speed check to see if you can propel yourself out. Both of you need to do speed checks. Just do speed checks.
20 total.
I got 26. Oh.
What the fuck? Okay.
Yeah.
He rolled a crit. Or 20, rather.
Yeah.
You gotta let me know if you roll.
I had to roll it on my book. Oh, yeah, I did. I had to roll it on my book because my bed's fucking sucks.
But you gotta let me know if you roll a 20.
Okay.
Okay, so you rolled a 20, and then Harrison, you said you got 20 in total?
Yeah, I got 20 in total.
Okay, so that's good enough on both ends, but Thunderclap, yours is more spectacular because you rolled a 20.
I'm gonna jump backward as well, not forward.
You're gonna jump backward? Okay. Is there a direction you want to jump? Thunderclap?
Straight up in the air.
Forward.
Forward. Alright, so Quazar, you jump, you hear the clicking, and the clicking noise stops abruptly, and then Quazar, you using your gravity well to help propel you, and Thunderclap, you both jump. Quazar, you jump backwards, and then Thunderclap, you jump forward and do a bunch of sweet, sick flips, because why not? And you both land, and then the floor beneath the area you were just standing on collapses. And
Sweet.
And you see a spike pit with, like, a couple dead bodies in it.
Are they gnomes?
They're just dead people.
All right. I'm going to use what little visibility I have to see if there's anything we can salvage from that.
You can't see. It's too far down.
Oh, all right. So there's just an open spike pit in between us now.
Yep.
All right. I'm going to create a gravity well just over the pit.
There's already one there.
Oh, right, in the place where it was. Okay, so I'm just going to jump back over to Thunderclap's side.
Okay, so you're going to need to do a speed check to see if your jump is successful.
All right.
For, agility reasons.
I got 20 again.
Oh, you got 20? Okay.
So, 20 total.
Oh, you got 20 total. Okay, so you jump over the pitfall trap, no problem. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Sweet.
Awesome. Do you guys wish to proceed further into the cave?
Shall we?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so you guys proceed further and, down the path of the cave, I'm assuming. And you walk, and you come into an open area in the cave. And you can't, as you're walking, you hear some squishing noises beneath your feet.
Can we see that close to see what it is?
I mean, if you want to bend down and check, yeah.
All right, I'm going to bend down and check.
Okay, so Quazar bends down and touches his hand on the ground, and he notices there's calling and speaking noises that you're stepping in some kind of liquid. And you feel it between your fingers, and you realize it's not water.
Oh god, it's pee.
All right, can I tell what it is using my arcane knowledge and whatnot?
I mean, yeah. You don't even need to do a roll for that. You just know, like, from the feel and the smell, it's blood.
Oh, fun. It's like we're standing in blood right now.
It's festive.
Yes, quite.
Quite festive, yeah. Okay, so what are you guys gonna do?
I'm gonna listen and see if we can hear anything from this cavern.
No, just quiet.
Oh, all right.
Just oddly quiet.
Oddly quiet.
Just
Okay.
eerily quiet. You know, they're like it's quiet, too quiet. It's that kind of quiet.
Okay. What do you think, Thunderclap?
I think we should run.
That is an option if you guys want to turn around and just book it.
I don't know. Do you want to turn around and book it?
No.
Oh my god.
I mean, it is what it is. All right. So let's, I guess, skirt around the edge so we can keep a hand on the wall.
Alright, so you guys proceed around the edge, and you're walking and skirting around the wall, and as you walk, you notice you've walked almost in a complete circle. You're in like a circular room within this cave.
All right. So there's nothing along the walls. There's no second way in or out. It's just that one way.
Yep, this is kind of like one of the dead-end spots of the cave.
All right. Should
Is
we?
there anything else in here?
Can we?
Oh, I was like...
Venture
we-
toward the middle?
I guess.
So we can...
I was just thinking, can we put our hands at the wall and go against the circle of the wall?
You just
Or the
did
rest
that.
of the room?
You just did that.
And there's nothing else in the cave?
I don't
Or
know.
this point?
You need to move further into the room. You guys just outlined the area around the room. You just know it's a circular room in the cave with some blood on the floor.
I'm willing to bet this is where the gnomes got murdered. Let's look for bodies.
Okay, so Quazar
Or, their equipment and lights and stuff. Still, I mean...
probably be on their bodies.
That's what I'm thinking.
So Quazar proceeds to the center of the room to try to look for bodies on the ground.
Bodies.
Bodies. Roll a... Oh my god. Roll a magic-based perception check.
All right. Let's see. Crit.
Oh, okay. So, so you go to the meeting.
I see all.
Yeah, I know where all the bodies are. So you presume that as you search through the floor, you find 3 gnome bodies, and they're all wearing spelunking equipment. They got some they got some tiny pickaxes, some rope. They got some flashlights on them and stuff. A couple flares. That kind of jazz.
What a player.
All right. So Thunderclap picks up a flare and lights it up. Puts it down on the floor and it illuminates the room. And yeah, you see the dead gnomes.
No.
Okay, so you see the dead gnomes. They're all cut up and shit. And there's no magic scroll in the room.
There's gnome magic.
There's no magic
Oh
scroll.
my god.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. There's, you just see the gnomes' dead bodies, the equipment you can take from them. It was clear they were trying to, mine the area or something. There's not really much going on in here. There's, some stools for them to sit and chill, but there's not much happening in here.
All right, I'm going to pick up one of the gnomes' spelunking hats and put it on. Turn on the light.
Okay, so you turn on the light and you try to put it on your head, but because, you're a normal-sized human being, it's sort of it's like the size of a yarmulke to you.
Oh, hey, whatever, as long as it stays on my head.
I'm gonna take the flashlights though.
Yeah, that's probably the better idea.
And the pickaxe.
And tiny pickaxe, which is like a toothpick for you.
How small are these things? Jeez.
They're gnomes. It's an exaggeration, but it's clearly small.
It's like a hand axe as opposed to a pickaxe.
Yeah. Or like a chisel.
clean my
It's like a
fingers
chisel.
with it.
It's like a chisel.
Oh, good. Okay.
Yeah, clean my fingernails with it or
Clean your
something.
fingernails. All right, so you turn
I'll
on
take the
your.
rope.
So you picked up some flashlights that you turned on. And you got, and Quasar's wearing a small hat, and you guys picked up the rope. So you kind of cleared out the room, and obviously, if you want to find that magic skull, you're gonna have to go back and figure out where that weird ass noise is coming from.
Alright,
Yep.
let's double back the other way then.